VersaFire units are upgradable. Remove the top and bottom louvers simultaneously, sliding the two spring latches toward the center until they are disengaged from the locating holes on both ends. Remove the screen assembly by sliding the rod right or left and then pull one end down and forward. The door has 4 latches that keep the door closed, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Pull the latches toward you to unlock. The door is hinged and will swing open. When locking the door, make sure to lock the top latches first. Removal of a VersaFire burner module. Gas supply must be shut off and all electrical power to the unit must be off. Disconnect the gas supply to the unit. Disconnect the wall switch or remote control if connected. Remove log grate assembly, 4 screws. Remove base logs and discard. Remove plenum, 2 screws, and discard. Remove the burner train, 12 screws, and discard. Remove and discard 2 shipping standoffs on the new burner train. Reinstall the new burner train. Make sure white gasket is in place. It's 12 screws. Remove the 2 front screws holding the burner in place. Reinstall the new plenum, 2 screws. Reinstall the new log grate assembly, 2 screws. On the Chateau model, install and screw down decorative andiron assembly. On the Chateau model, there is a center pod log that rests on the 2 standoffs. Connect gas line. Connect the on-off switch or remote. Break embers into small eraser-sized pieces and place across the burner ports piled a 1/2 inch deep. Embers should ramp up to the pod log so that only the chips are sticking up, piled up to 1 inch at the pod log. Feather out with a screwdriver so the embers are loose. Be sure to trail the embers up the left side of the burner ports to the pilot flame. Place sparingly lava rocks on the plenum. Do not put any lava rocks on the burner. Leak check the gas control and any connections you've made before operating the appliance. Close and latch the door, latching the top 2 latches first. Light the pilot and turn on the burner. Leak check the gas fittings at the burner supply gas line going up from the burner orifice. Replace the screens and install the louver panels. Upgrading of a VersaFire direct vent is now complete.